In honor of International Men's Day, the Department of Gender Affairs partnered with the Ministry of Health in your kitchen to host the inaugural Bus a Pot Cook-Off. This initiative was geared towards eradicating gender stereotypes regarding traditionally assigned household roles. It also sought to promote healthy expressions of masculinity. Today we have the pleasure of speaking with the winning chef and his sous chef of the first ever Bus a Pot Cook-Off. Join us in welcoming Imran Francis, chef, and Val McLeod, sous chef.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Welcome, gentlemen. Good to see you again. And officially, congratulations on
Indeed,
the big
congrats.
win. Thank you. All right, so let's talk about this competition. Did you go into it expecting to win?
No.
No. So some humility there. Why?
We just going for fun.
You went for fun.
that's
For the fun
fun.
of it, yeah.
Okay. I remember speaking with you at the competition as well, and one of the things that I found fascinating about you is that you said you wanted to learn from the others who were cooking. Did you take away any trade secrets?
No.
Everybody had their secrets?
Yes.
Wow, it was that tense. So how did you gentlemen find out about the competition?
His name again? Protein.
Okay. Okay.
Grill and chill.
Okay.
Yes, he told me about it.
Okay. Nice, nice.
He wanted me to. He wanted me to go and represent him. That's what he said.
Okay. And you represented him and you won.
Bring me in.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
You tried. Okay.
Well, that trial was a good one. Because you gentlemen are the winners, I must say.
Okay, so let's talk about the experience of cooking on a coal pot, because this was really what it was. The ingredient, the master ingredient, or the main ingredient, was yard fowl, which was interesting in and of itself. But then to cook yard fowl on a coal pot. Any experience with coal pot cooking, any experience with yard fowl, and how did you merge the two in that competition?
Growing up in Grenada, you have to do this thing. A young boy growing up, we're cooking on the block, that is common. So it was very easy for us to implement it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like everyday thing. Yeah. I'm from the country. He's from the country.
Okay.
Country and town. Then I'm from the country, so you use coal pot and, as they say, tree stove.
Firewood.
Okay. Okay.
I gotta say, quite frankly, in passing by this station, because I was there on Sunday, and every time I passed by your station, I meant to go somewhere else and I lingered a little bit. And I said to them, I lingered because of the spices coming from the food. It was just so awesome to smell. Wow. Grenadian spice in there or no?
Yeah.
Very good. Spice, you know.
A lot of spice. So we use like cinnamon and clove and nutmeg and
Ginger as well.
bay leaves.
Ooh.
Ginger.
So, how did you guys come up with the recipes that you wanted to present at the Bus a Pot competition?
Okay. But I came up with the recipe, right?
Okay.
And the idea came from just by the theme, Bus a Pot. He said Bus a Pot. It's like, I call him and say, well, let's show him about today.
Okay.
So that is where it really came from.
Okay.
And when you say you're going to cook out, let's Bus a Pot.
Yeah.
There are certain recipes that I think about, which were fascinating because some of the other competitors choose some strange recipes for outdoor cooking.
So you kept it in team.
Yes, kind of simple. And like every day, you go outside to cook with friends, you cook a soup. You go outside, you cook some provision, you shoot some chicken or something, you know?
Oh,
That's why
okay.
I kept it kind of simple.
He stuck to the theme. That's good. That's good.
It's interesting because when we talk about the criteria, there was, I think, taste, texture, presentation, that sort of thing. And if you saw what they prepared, I mean, it was just so good to look at, apart from smelling it and then imagine it. Simple, right? Simple. Any rivalry going on between the groups as as you were competing? Because I didn't see that at all. I saw you moving around to help people to see what they needed, etc.
We did.
I don't know how to put it, but to me, we were at an advantage today. Because it's like Some of them look like first time we little cook.
Ooh.
I saw that. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
First time.
Boy, living in the country paid off, huh?
Yeah.
Lovely.
We water this environment because we do that almost every day. I still do it in St.
Nice.
Every day.
We go to the beach. We cook on the beach.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we don't bring food to the beach. We cook on the beach.
Yeah, for real.
Wow.
Yeah.
Imagine if I call you and say, let's go to the beach. Put on a pot or something. Would you think about macaroni pie?
No way.
You never know.
You want some soup or
Really?
something.
Maybe we could take our oven there.
Oh, you.
But no, honestly, we won't think of macaroni pie. Just being comical. Okay.
Well, the main ingredient being yard fowl, I gotta ask again. I think the advantage that you guys have was the experience that you had because what the judges said when they talked about it is that some people's yard fowl, unfortunately, wasn't cooked. I mean, I see your expression.
Yes.
That wasn't cooked.
Oh my God.
Yours, perfect, from what I could tell. Pressurizing.
Oh, the pressure.
Listen, you got.
But you
Yeah, you have to.
gave you the option,
Okay.
but it had to be done on the cold pot,
Yes.
right? So if you're not accustomed to yard fowl, check. Clearly some of them wasn't something. Because you wouldn't choose a recipe like that. With yard fowl. Yard fowl is maybe 100 times
Tough.
harder than
The average fowl.
supermarket chicken.
Yes,
You understand?
I know that for sure.
So you're accustomed.
So your experience helped you out.
Are those recipes available to the public? Are you going to sell them? I know that they're going to be published, if I'm not mistaken, right?
They are available, but not yard fowl.
Why not? Oh, okay. I just thought maybe since you have cooked it, it's something that you. What are your occupations, by the way? Are you a chef by profession?
I'm a grandmother's chef.
Grandmother chef? What? A grandmother chef? Okay. Oh, so you're a grandmother chef. Okay. All right.
Just cook for myself.
Oh, okay.
I know you can cook for the masses.
I
You cook
know.
on- I'm sure
Look at
people will
that.
be flocking you to find out exactly what else you can cook because this was just so well done.
I can cook anything.
Jamie, you tasted? Because you seem like you tasted.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, nice.
I really very can cook anything.
Okay, I like that. I like that attitude.
It will be done with my flavors.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Oh,
All right.
But if you get it out for I can cook it for you. It's easy.
Don't worry, we have lots flying around. I'll be sure. I'll call you guys. Help control the yard population. All right.
so gentlemen, I want to know. Well, Imran said he's a granny cook, right? So how long have both of you been cooking, and both as sous chef? Well, I should say sous chef duo or separately?
You mean cooking
Okay.
on a large scale or cooking for people? Or
Cooking for, well, how long have the two of you been cooking?
together?
Yeah. See why I say laughable?
Always, okay, we are really music.
Yes.
And we kind of stick together, so
Okay.
we cook often.
Okay.
Very often. In St. Kitts.
Okay. So is there a Grenadian association in St. Kitts, and you guys meet up on the beach, and, well, guys and gals?
But not a registered one.
Okay.
Yeah.
But actually, we are the ones doing the job.
Oh, in the carnival?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
Nice.
actually doing it this year.
Ooh.
Again. Registration forms and so on. Oh no.
Okay.
Get them online.
Okay.
Through Facebook and so on.
Okay.
Sounds like you guys integrated very well here, I have to say.
Yes.
We were talking during the break, and Cortensia neglected to mention what we were talking about in particular.
I was trying.
The type of, well, you did mention it. You said we were having a comical conversation. We're talking about the types of wildlife that you are familiar cooking, which is why the yard fowl was very easy. Why don't you
Easy.
tell our viewers what some of those things are?
The wildlife.
Yes. Only if you want to.
And we also have monkeys. St. Kitts have monkeys.
Yes.
We have
Guana.
iguanas.
Oh, nice.
Armadillo, which we call tattoo. We have, you say possum, we say manitou.
Manitou. Yeah. The crayfish.
We also
Crayfish.
we went to boats, different boats.
Oh, nice.
We have agoutis, you have in Guyana. We have a lot of different types.
Yeah, nice.
What we eat, but there's some we don't eat. We got the
You can't
snakes. We have the snakes, we got the mongols. Those things, we don't eat those.
I'm surprised you guys don't eat the snakes because there are folks
kill.
Okay.
in Guyana that eat snakes.
You can't kill the Grenadian dove, so you can't eat it.
Oh, okay.
So it's a national bird.
Oh,
You can kill the ramier. Ramier is one you can eat.
what is that?
Bird.
Bird,
A bird as well.
Yes,
Okay.
you can eat that one.
big bird, bigger than a fowl.
You guys have a lot of experience. I mean, just hearing about this wildlife, the yard fall was nothing. You see
What
that?
part of the country in Grenada?
From Upper to St. David's.
Okay, in St. David's. Okay.
St. Andreas.
Okay.
So we kind of boundary to each other under the rainforest.
Oh, okay. Nice.
I've never been to Grenada.
Yeah,
I've
they
met
have
Grenadians.
forests.
I told you about that, but I've never been to Grenada.
It's got a good sized forest.
Yeah.
It passed right through the island.
Okay, great.
And he live in the middle of it. I live in the bottom.
Wow. Nice.
From the east side.
He's from the west?
Middle.
Live in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Being funny. I'm just being funny, gentlemen.
No,
Oh, Lord. Okay.
All right. So when we talk about the best pot cooking competition and the stereotypes that typically place women in the kitchen, what do you think participating in this competition showcase to the public at large about these stereotypical gender roles?
But it's been told that men are better cook. Yeah, men are better cook. And I do all my cooking for myself, so
Also, men are better cooks.
yeah. everything.
Okay. We need to have a competition.
but I had competition from since 9, 10.
Hey, and you win all the time.
Well, to me, I win.
Brandon should be a comedian.
I cook most of the outdoor stuff. Because I've never been to culinary classes. So
Okay.
she's been.
Okay.
She has a bunch of different diplomas in those stuff.
Yes.
So she doing fancy cooking.
Okay.
She do the Sunday cooking then.
Okay.
And I do the Monday too.
I like it.
She still thinks she can cook better than me, but I cook more regular than she.
That's
Oh,
true as well.
nice, nice,
Do
yes.
you take any of her secrets or skills?
Yeah,
Do you?
man, all the time, man.
Like what?
That's my. I always cook. When I cook, I only cook my way. But I like to look at people and what they do, and take whatever I can from them. That's
Okay.
what I do.
And tweak your part.
For example, you cook this meal here or recipe or whatever. I want to do it, but I want to put my twist to it.
Okay, so that originality comes through.
Right. My twist.
What about you, Val?
With
Yes, cooking and originality.
yes, all my food are original. I try different things when I do it. As I say, I cook for myself. Yeah, so I try different things as well. Don't measure anything, we just put things in.
That's the sign of a great cook, by the way.
We just put things and taste.
So then the question is, when it came to putting your recipe together and letting everybody know what you were going to do, quantities and so on, was that difficult for you?
No.
Everything and just throwing it
But
on.
I actually did the recipe in the kitchen. I remember what I did yesterday. Just write down.
Okay. Okay.
Remember how I started, then second, third, fourth.
That's from memory. You see that? Okay.
Yeah,
so Mark is a
indeed.
great cook. But you do it all the time. Exactly.
So it was the soup was a little bit different from what we get here, but it's the same as we cook back home.
Okay. What was the difference in the soup? I want to know.
You really want me to say my secret?
Okay, sorry, he can't say secret. Okay. Hold on.
It wasn't hard to do because it was everyday stuff.
It's like automatic for you. Yeah. They really weren't under pressure, I have to say. Like you guys were the most
As he said, he's accustomed to the cold pot.
of the four.
Yeah,
We
it's
came early,
accustomed.
we prepare everything, and then we sit and wait and have a drink while we was waiting on the guys and other guys.
Just wait. Because we had the plan how we were going to execute
Yes.
from step 1 to 10. When you came, you realized we only had one pot of time. And we were sitting. Was it the yard full of pressure?
Pressure in here.
But everything else is ready to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
When you check the chicken and it reaches a certain level of tenderness, it's start to cook. So, ready?
And they had 2 hours in which to do it, which was the whole point. Yeah.
They killing me, you know how they just come and take a drink, they put on the
I was
pot.
taken back by some of the
Time.
choices that some of the competitors choose. You know, because you have 90 minutes.
Yes,
Yeah, for.
yes,
When you get another, how you get another? It's very hard.
yes.
So you pressure it. The first one. 35, 40 minutes.
Yeah, to turn the rice
So
up.
you have maybe an hour left.
Then you bust the pot with everything else. Nice, nice.
It was kind of easy.
You guys got great prizes, by the way, so congratulations
Yeah.
I'm
again.
telling you, the soup we done with yellow split peas.
Oh, typical,
So-
yeah, the Ghanaians would use that base too. Yeah,
You understand?
Yeah.
So you get a kind of smooth finish.
yes, indeed. And then the chicken just flake apart in the soup. Yeah, I'm accustomed. I just don't eat it now.
Somebody's watching right now, and they want to know when are they going to taste the winning soup, the winning dishes. How do they contact you guys for that?
Well, I do a small amount of cooking, right? But I only do it on Thursdays and Saturdays.
Okay.
Saturdays we do our traditional Grenadian dishes. It's called oil.
Oh, no.
We do that on Saturdays. You can contact me and get it on Saturdays. On Thursdays you can get things like stew chicken, curry mutton, stew pork, saltfish. We say sauce, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you call it here? Saltfish. They say what?
I know the saltfish sauce.
But we say saltfish sauce, right?
Yeah, with the saltfish and the cucumbers. Yeah,
Everything, yeah.
yeah,
You can get that on Thursdays.
yeah.
All right.
Contact me 662-4343.
665-1144.
Okay, very easy to remember.
Yeah,
Only Thursdays and Saturdays.
Thursdays and Saturdays. Got you. Busy man.
yeah.
If you get the yard for we can.
Bust the pot,
lovely.
indeed,
Okay,
indeed,
that
indeed.
plus a pot again. Okay. Okay.
So I have one final thing before we go. For the boys and men that are watching, who might feel as though they don't belong in the kitchen, what advice do you have for them?
Take that off the mind.
Take it off the mind?
Yeah. take that
Okay.
off the mind.
Challenge yourself. Maybe look at mommy. And most of all, try to be independent because you don't know when you would end up on your
On your own, yeah.
You don't want to eat in a crate all 7 days. Yeah?
Indeed.
It's just the way you say it.
Yeah, exactly.
You would do, okay, let's say for example you feel for fried chicken. You tell me you can't fry chicken. Season some, marinate some chicken,
Yeah.
and fry some chicken. You would have to go to KFC or fast food outlet. But what if they close? What are you going to do?
Fry your own chicken.
And when you can't cook, you know when you leave the house empty, you come back and make it empty, yeah?
That is so true.
Yes.
That is so true.
There's one to turn your hand.
Yes.
Very important.
It's a man.